Hi, here we need to find out the length of the tarpaulin, which is 3 meter wide, that will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. So basically we need to make a tent, conical tent, and we need to buy tarpaulin. When we go to buy tarpaulin in the market, so it comes in the form of a roll which has a fixed breadth, but length we need to tell to the vendor. So we need to find out the area to make the canvas of the tent. That means we need to find out CSA of the tent. Now we know that CSA of tent, the formula is pi r L. Now we look up the dimensions. So radius of the tent is given as 6 meter. L is not given and height of the tent is given as 8 meters. So firstly we need to find out the L, slant height. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find that is L is equal to h square plus r square. Now that is 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36, that is root of 100. So L is 10 meters. Now applying this, we can find the CSA. So CSA will be pi into radius 6 into L10, that will be 60 pi. Now we know that the CSA of conical tent will be equal to the area of the tarpaulin required. So area of tarpaulin, now tarpaulin is in the form of a rectangle. So area of the tarpaulin will be L into B. Now the length is L and breadth is 3 meters. So this is equals to 3L. Now we can equalize both the areas. So ultimately we can write that 3L is equals to 60 pi. So L will be 20 pi, dividing by 3 on both sides. Now this is what we need to find out. After application of value of pi 3.14, what we find is value of L is 62.8 meters. Now here they have given, assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching the margins and wastage is 20 centimeter. So wastage we can count 20 centimeter as 0.2 meters. So this much of wastage in length we can add it up to find the total length. So total length we can write will be 62.8 plus 0.2. So that will be 63 meters. So 63 meters of tarpaulin we require to make the conical tent.